নমস্কাৰ আপোনালোক সকলোকে অসম ফিউচাৰ ইউটিউব চেনেললৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি এই ভিডিঅ'টোত শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱ ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি অফ হেল্থ ছায়েন্সৰ BSc নাৰ্ছিং ডি ফাৰ্ম, বি ফাৰ্ম, পেৰামেডিকেল, GNM আৰু ANMৰ ইংলিছ পাৰ্টৰ কিছুমান MCQ আলোচনা কৰিম। যদি আপোনালোকে আগৰ পাৰ্টবোৰ নাই চোৱা তেন্তে প্লেলিষ্টৰ পৰা চাব পাৰিব। বাকী ভিডিঅ'টো স্কিপ নকৰাকৈ চাব আৰু লগতে হোৱাটছআপ আৰু টেলিগ্ৰাম গ্ৰুপত জইন হৈ ল'ব। Section A, Idioms and Phrasal. Question number 1. To get a bee in your bonnet means option A, to be very angry, option B, to be obsessed with an idea, option C, to be physically ill, or option D, to speak very fast. Your correct answer to is option B, to be obsessed with an idea. Question number 2. Spill the beans means option A, to cook food, option B, to drop something by mistake, option C, to reveal a secret, option D, to be clumsy. Your correct answer to is option C, to reveal a secret. Question number 3. If someone is at the drop of a hat, they are option A, wearing a new hat, option B, doing something immediately without preparation, option C, very poor, option D, losing their memory. Your correct answer to is option B, doing something immediately without preparation. Question number 4. Throw dust into one's eyes means option A, to blind someone, option B, to protect someone, option C, to mislead or deceive someone, option D, to clean something. Your correct answer to is option C, to mislead or deceive someone. Question number 5. The patient broke down when he heard the news. Here broke down means option A, stopped working, option B, lost control of emotion or wept bitterly, option C, fell on the floor, or option D, became silent. Your correct answer to is option B, lost control of emotion or wept bitterly. Question number 6. Burn the midnight oil means option A, to waste electricity, option B, to work or study late into the night, option C, to light a lamp, option D, to sleep very late. Your correct answer to is option B, to work or study late into the night. Question number 7. Piece of cake means option A delicious dessert, option B, something very easy, option C, a difficult task, option D, a birthday gift. Your correct answer to is option B, something very easy. Question number 8. Once in a blue moon means option A, every night, option B, very rarely, option C, every month, or option D, during full moon. Your correct answer to is option B, very rarely. Question number 9. Let the cat out of the bag means option A, to buy a pet, option B, to reveal a secret accidentally, option C, to harm an animal, or option D, to keep quiet. Your correct answer to is option B, to reveal a secret accidentally. Question number 10. Hit the nail on the head means option A, to make a mistake, option B, to describe exactly what is causing a situation, option C, to injure something, option D, to work with tools. Your correct answer to is option B, to describe exactly what is causing a situation.
আপোনালোকে SSUHS CEE GNM নাৰ্ছিঙৰ এন্ট্ৰেন্স এক্সাম দিম বুলি ভাবি আছে নেকি? তেনেহ'লে আপোনালোকে আমাৰ ই বুক আৰু মক টেষ্ট চিৰিজ লৈ ল'ব পাৰিব। তো CEE ই বুকত আৰু মক টেষ্ট চিৰিজত 5000তকৈ অধিক MCQ এনসাৰ আছে আৰু GNM নাৰ্ছিঙৰ ই বুক এণ্ড মক টেষ্ট চিৰিজত 3000তকৈ অধিক MCQ এনসাৰ আছে। তো ইয়াতে আপোনালোকে ইংৰাজী আৰু অসমীয়া দুটা মাধ্যমতে কুৱেশ্যন বিলাক পাব। তো প্ৰিভিয়াছ ইয়াৰ মেমৰি বেছ কুৱেশ্যনো আছে। তো লিমিটেড অফাৰ হয়, অতি শীঘ্ৰে আপোনালোকে লৈ ল'ব। তো এই ই বুক আৰু মক টেষ্ট চিৰিজে আপোনালোকৰ প্ৰিপাৰেচনটো তীব্ৰ গতিত আগবঢ়াই নিয়াত সহায় কৰিব। আপোনালোকে এই ই বুক এণ্ড মক টেষ্ট চিৰিজখিনি হোৱাটছএপৰ জৰিয়তে ল'ব পাৰিব আৰু আমাৰ ৱেবছাইটৰ জৰিয়তে ল'ব পাৰিব। লিংক ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যনত দিয়া আছে। অলৰেডি বহুত ষ্টুডেণ্টে এনৰলমেণ্ট হৈ লৈছে। তো আপোনালোকে পলম নকৰি এতিয়াই কণ্টেক্ট কৰক।
Question number 11. To turn over a new leaf means option A, to plant a tree, option B, to change one's behavior for the better, option C, to read a book carefully, or option D, to hide the truth. Your correct answer to is option B, to change one's behavior for the better. Question number 12. Apple of discord means option A very sweet fruit, option B, a cause of quarrel or dispute, option C, a healthy choice, or option D, a gift from a friend. Your correct answer to is option B, a cause of quarrel or dispute. Question number 13. In the pink of health means option A, very sick, option B, very healthy, option C, turning pink due to a fever, option D, tired. Your correct answer to is option B, very healthy. Question number 14. To call it a day means Option A to start a new job, option B to stop working on something, option C to celebrate a birthday, option D to wake up early. Your correct answer to is option B to stop working on something. Question number 15. Cost an arm and a leg means option A to lose limbs, option B very expensive, option C to be cheap, option D to exercise. Your correct answer to is option B very expensive. Section B Contextual Vocabulary question number 16. The patient was advised to avoid dash food. Option A spicy, option B healthy, option C fresh, and option D light. Your correct answer to is option A spicy. Question number 17. The doctor said the patient's condition is dash. Option A critical, option B stable, option C normal, and option D good. Your correct answer to is option A critical. Question number 18. The nurse had to dash the files in the computer to prevent data loss. Option A take 4, option B pass away, option C backup, option D make 4. Your correct answer is option C backup. Question number 19. The medicine was so dashed that the patient felt better within an hour. Option A effective, option B efficient, option C effective, and option D defective. Your correct answer is option A effective. Question number 20. Prevention is better than dash. Option A medicines, option B doctor, option C cure, option C hospital. Your correct answer to is option C cure. Question number 21. The government had to dash the village due to the sudden flood. Option A evaporate, option B evacuate, option C encourage, or option D contribute. Your correct answer to is option B evacuate. Question number 22. All the runners had completed the first dash of the race when it started raining. Option A lane, option B path, option C lap, option D circle. Your correct answer to is option C lap. Question number 23. Since food was dash, people began to migrate to other cities. Option A scale, option B scarce, option B abundant, or option D cheap. Your correct answer to is option B scarce. Question number 24. The jury reached a verdict of not guilty because there wasn't dash evidence. Option A loyal, option B flexible, option C obsolete, option D sufficient. And your correct answer to is option D sufficient. Question number 25. A person who leaves their country due to war or religion views is a option A patriot, option B refugee, option C bandit, or option D peasant. Your correct answer to is option B refugee. তো আজি এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি ইংলিছ পাৰ্টৰ 25টা কুৱেশ্যন আলোচনা কৰিলোঁ। বাকী পাৰ্টবোৰ আপোনালোকে যদি নাই চোৱা প্লে'লিষ্টত গৈ চাব পাৰিব। থেংক ইউ।